Mr. Nandan Nilekani, Mr. Kapoor and members of the jury, Mr. Gurnam Saran, Mr. Pankaj Saran, Your Excellencies, guests and invitees, winners of the EMPI Indian Express Innovation Awards for this year, as well as the participants. I am very happy on behalf of the organizing committee to welcome all of you, and above all to begin with Mr. Nandan Nilekani, who himself is doing now an innovative exercise at the Government of India level in introducing UIDAI. The brief idea about the background of the Innovation Award has already been given, but in the time available, I just would like to highlight the significance of innovation, especially in the Indian context today. The nation faces a lot of problems, and in every field, if we look at these problems from a negative point of view, they remain problems. But if we look at these problems from an innovative point of view, they become challenges, and they provide new opportunities for innovation. All of us remember what happened in the late 80s when the Club of Rome projected the future and said how the earth will run out of resources and there will be shortage of metals like aluminum and so many other things towards the beginning of the 21st century. But that did not happen because of the basic capacity for innovation. On this occasion, we should also recall certain basic aspects of innovation which the late C.K. Prahalad used to highlight. The future is not as it used to be. We should not only look at innovation by extending the experience of the past, we should be able to fold in the future, as he used to say. And here, we must particularly congratulate the winners because each one of them, as the program proceeds, you will realize, have brought innovation at the organizational level. There are scientific innovations, there are innovations in specific areas, and these are bringing their own impact. But when an innovation takes place at the organizational level, the impact is much more, and it helps to change the whole society and take on the problems. This exercise, which is being done for the fourth time, has also received encouragement from many people. At the individual level, we could not succeed, but we have been able to get messages of best wishes from His Excellency the Lieutenant Governor of Tejinder Khanna, Honorable Minister for HRD Mr. Kapil Sibal, Honorable Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit, Honorable Member of the Planning Commission Mr. Arun Mehra, and we are particularly very happy that we have ambassadors, diplomats and foreign guests in our audience today. H.E. the High Commissioner of Bangladesh, H.E. the Ambassador of Georgia, H.E. the Ambassador of Panama, and senior diplomats from Australia, Korea, Taiwan and Canada. This encourages us all, and this whole program is a reaffirmation of the ancient wisdom of India, which showed how ultimately nothing is impossible. What is needed is innovative thinking and people who can make those things happen. Amantram aksharam nasti. There is no letter which can't be made into a mantra. Nasti moolam anaushadam. There is no plant or a root which cannot be made into a medicine. Amantram aksharam nasti, nasti moolam anaushadam, ayogyo purusho nasti. There is no person whom we can say is useless or good for nothing. Then what is lacking? What is lacking are the people who can make those things happen. Make every letter into a mantra, every root into a medicine, and every person into a very useful, fit person. And it is such people whom we are celebrating today. They are the winners in the Innovation Award. Amantram aksharam nasti, nasti moolam anaushadam, ayogyo purusho nasti, yojakas tatra durlabha. In the winners, we have got the yojakas who have made these things happen, and we once again are participating in a very positive, celebrating function, especially in the context of the problems this nation faces. So for making this possible, we thank all of you, and particularly the winners who have shown the way of what is possible.